Hi Wellham fam, welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And I've actually got one I've started. So, these are for summer, which the first one I show you. These are magnets, so they're really flimsy. They're really good because they will hold on because the whole thing is magnetic, but it's incredibly thin. I have actually started this. I haven't got any pictures for the start bit I did of it because I was still a little bit awake last night, so I used it to lull. You'll also notice there's nothing else in the bag. That's because the gems and everything are sorted into my trays.
Yeah.
So I thought I'd give you a...
Be happy. Oh, good.
How is that? Oh, I see. That's a bit
It's
of
a bit
error.
of a centre.
Yeah.
Yeah. Welcome to our hive.
Be kind. Oh, I love them. Let it be.
Oh dear.
I love a pun. That's quite boring.
Yeah.
No, I have, as I said, I have sorted the diamonds for these, and I will show you the progress on them. I think that's just Smile. I will show you the progress as I do them. However, what I would say, guys, is there are only actually 8 different colours. So, you know, it's quite lacking considering the amount of ones to do.
Yeah.
So happy, be happy, happy, and a nice little picket fence with your
So it's 20.
flowers. Yep, there are 20 of them.
Yeah.
Which means I'm going to pick out a smaller item to do with them because it'll work better.
Yeah.
Right, so
Put them back in.
that's those ones. Obviously, these are the ones I'm going to be working on first.
Yeah.
And again, we'll take the pictures and we'll show you at the end the completed items. If you see what I mean.
Yeah.
Whoops.
I forget that one.
Yeah, I know this. Right. So, the other item I've decided to do is they are
Key rings?
magnets.
Oh, they're
No,
magnets.
they are magnets. Namely because I like to have a selection, but again, these are summer magnets. So we've got flip flop, pineapple. A gonk with a beach ball, another gonk with a surfboard and a mocktail, gonk with a watermelon. I do love myself a watermelon.
Yeah.
Really cute camper van. Really big beach ball. And surfboards.
8 those ones.
Yes.
Not many one, is it?
No, but then considering there's 20 of the other, it sort of works, really. But yeah, as you can see, there's lots of different colour to these. So, you know.
Yeah.
Obviously, I don't know how much colour, but there you go. But even if it's only 8, there's only actually... No, there's going to be more than 8.
Yeah.
There's got to be at least 9, judging by this.
Yeah.
But yeah. So, let's get drilling, guys.
Yep.
Right, guys. So, because there were so many of these, and they are really thin.
Yeah. And there's not a lot of colours on each one, is there?
No, there's 8 colours in all to use on all of these. Although I will actually point out a couple of things as we go. Don't be afraid to put your own spin on things. If you think it can look better another way, do it, is what I say.
Yep.
But first of all, we have got...
Yep. Got that.
Okay.
Hello, summer.
Be sweet. Life is sweet. Right, this is the first one in this that I'm going to mention about. Hive was supposed to be in the toned down orange, and you couldn't see it.
No.
So I changed it for black.
Yeah.
So it can actually
It does say our hive.
Yes,
but the trouble is, it's only
hive.
got space for 4 dots, so it doesn't actually make a proper
No.
R. But yeah.
It's better from further away, some of these are.
Yeah. Oh, it's quite a nice one.
Be happy.
Happy's a little
Yeah, I know. Right, so there weren't any purple. I added the purple because the
flower was also the flower was the same as the background, wasn't it?
Yeah, this is it. So where there were multiple ones that were a different colour, it just made more sense to, put in some different. And me being me, it was purple I chose. Plus it goes well with orange, so there we go. And again, another one.
Let it be.
Let it be. Yeah. Honey. Love that.
It's a nice little hive.
Be kind. It's a super cute gonk. And that's
the
a honey
dipper.
dipper.
Yeah.
I actually really like that one. It's quite simple, but it's just, I really like it.
Yeah.
It's another one that I'm very much in love with.
Yeah.
Right, then we have got
a flower.
Then we have got a gonk, and again I changed the purple because it was the same colour of his beard and it sort of missed that it was a flower. Then we got a heart.
Yeah.
And this is So Happy Bee. Sorry. I really love it.
So happy.
So, favourites for me that stand out. I do love this one.
I love that one, yeah.
I really do. It looks like a patch, if you know what I mean.
Be Harry's quite good.
Be Happy's quite good, yes.
Be Harry.
I really like that.
The bee's nice.
The beehive. I do like the bee, yes. I like the beehive.
Yeah.
I should have changed the wings because this is one of the examples actually that I sort of left to show you. But where the flower was these colours, it was the same colour as the wings, which is just daft really. Love the cupcake, but the colours could have been better with that. Yeah. Again, I really like that, and I really like that. And the heart honey actually. But yeah, I mean, some of them I really absolutely love. Some of them I would love if it had just been a different colour. Yeah. So I really like that. I like the idea of that.
Yeah.
And you could say, well, why didn't you think to change it first off? It's because it was one of the first ones I did, and I didn't think about it. And when it came to changing it, the biggest problem is then you get half a ton that have got really sticky drills, which wasn't a problem for the ones that I changed. But I've been in this game long enough to know that if you take a load off, they all clump together in the bag, and usually, you get. So yeah, it was just easier to do it like that, and I still think they're really cute.
Yeah.
A strange one on the magnets. I mean, I will say I have found, not with these, but with the magnetic one. Oh, excuse me, I've now placed an order to get some more of the 4x magnet. I've got little 2 centimetre magnets, sticky magnets that are 4 times stronger.
Yeah.
And they hold up those flowers.
Yeah.
Now, I tried it with the tape. The tape didn't hold it at all, even though there was a lot more of it on it.
Yeah.
And also the bigger magnets that you get in with the magnet ones.
They don't hold.
They don't hold. Not always. But a lot of the time, excuse me, a lot of the time they sort of come off, which is a bit of a problem, as you can well imagine.
Yeah.
Right, so let's clear these.
Yeah.
Which I've more or less done while I'm talking to you anyway, guys.
Yeah. And we'll go on to the summer ones.
We'll go on to the summer. Right, so I loved doing these. They're just so pretty. Now, I wonder if I can show you an example of what I was talking about before. Ah, there we go. Right, that is the size of magnet that you get with this.
But they're not particularly strong.
But they're not very strong. I mean, it could...
okay, it's only been held on by a little bit, but it's
not very...
It should be able to hold on. It should be able to hold that by rights. But yeah.
And I put smaller ones on because, first of all, because they were swamping. However...
There you go.
There's your example. There is a possibility that I'm going to have to remove that and put the other one on. But yeah, so I'll let you
we got the
look at those.
Beach ball.
A lot of these
Gonks with a surfboard and a cocktail. A pineapple.
Love pineapple and cheese.
A Gonks with a beach ball.
Yeah.
A washing pod.
Nice beach ball.
Yeah.
Love that one.
A Gonks with watermelon.
Love a watermelon, guys. Nice pair of flip-flops.
Flippity floppities.
A camper van with a surfboard on top.
Yep. Hang 10.
And 3 surfboards.
3 surfboards. Hang 30.
Right, so what I will say is these were nicer to do.
Yeah.
Mainly,
They're more solid
I mean,
as well.
you had more colours. I can't remember. I think there were 16 actually, which is double the amount of colours there were for that. But as I said, I put some of my small magnets on that I'd purchased separately, and yeah, that's when we realised actually how bad the other ones were, because quite often, I mean, it's only one of those little tiny magnets like that that's holding up each of those, and I tried magnetic tape with a large magnet from this, I must admit, on that, and even that wouldn't hold. So, and then I put on more than one strip, because at that point I was experimenting with just one. And I thought, do you know what, I'm going to try it with my little magnets, and that's when we found out just how good they are. Now those were coasters. Oh, excuse me. Those were coasters, and because I haven't got the bulk amount ones that I've bought, I only actually did the 3 that were going there. So at the moment the others are in the coaster holder bit. But I just think they're lovely. I really do. I'm getting to know which ones work and which ones don't so much, but at the end of the day, what you like is what you like. There's no real wrong or right. I can just advise you when I know something's not working as correctly. I'm not saying that every magnet you're going to get is going to be lacking. But then you don't know what they've got them stored around. So, or how long they've had them as well, and things like that. By rights, this shouldn't be a problem because
it's all magnet.
It's a full magnet. So there you go.
The only bit you may find on that is that it don't lay flat.
No. But I mean,
as you can see, they're bent up.
At least, you know, it is as is. I mean, essentially, I'm working on these because we're getting closer to summer, and I've still got like the spring stuff going on at the moment. So this will be filtered out as and when, but as of course you may see them out before you see them done. But at least you get a first-hand look. Right, my lovelies, so all that leaves me to say now, I suppose really I should say which my favourites are. Now, honestly, I really love the surfboards and the flip-flops, and I'm
not okay with the Gonks. The Gonks don't stand out too much.
I would have preferred this to have had a different coloured surfboard, if I'm honest. But I still think that's pretty cute. And out of the Gonks, this is probably my favourite, probably because it's got like little stars in its hat and it's holding in a watermelon, and I do love myself a watermelon. But yeah, either way. Oh, excuse me. Either way, they're really cute. See, I haven't really got a least favourite particularly with that. I sort of all think they're all, you know, there's none that I'm unhappy with, put it that way. But yeah, happy days. Right, my lovelies, I hope you've enjoyed, and as always, be different, a very merry unwho.
A very merry unwho. And
dear God, do I have to pick up one of these? You're going to have to boop yourself, babe.
And
boop.
Rachel Hazy. And
Beach ball. Boop.